Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to see how to create a YouTube channel in 2022. Now let's jump into it. And now I'm going to open my browser, and then this is the youtube.com. This is my YouTube, and in order to create a new YouTube channel, you should have a Google account, and I have a Google account, so I have logged in to youtube.com, and now I'm gonna proceed to create a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna click on switch account, and this is my email account, and now I'm gonna link a YouTube channel. I'm going to create a YouTube channel and link it to this account. I'm going to click on view all channels, and these are my existing YouTube channels. I'm going to create a new channel. Click on create a channel. So it's asking me the create your channel name, and you can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represent you and your content, so provide a good brand name or a channel name, and I'm gonna give a name tech introducer, and I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So please check this checkbox and click on create. So it's loading to create the channel. Yes, now let's check out our channel. Click on switch accounts and see. Yes, now we have successfully created our YouTube channel. As you guys can see, this is our YouTube channel. We can proceed to the YouTube studio and click on continue. Yes, this is our channel, and we can upload videos and upload logos. I can upload logos by clicking on customization, and by clicking on branding section, and we can upload banner images, picture, I mean the icon, and the video watermark, and you can customize your channel in your own way, and we can view this too in YouTube. And this is my channel. I can click on upload videos in order to upload some videos, and when I click select, it will ask which file to upload, and I can upload, and I can upload it to the YouTube publicly, and I can earn money from this. And that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe US Educate Academy for more video tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next one.